There we go. Forgot to plug in my microphone. We're gonna go see Steve. Steve, I'll tell you, was the drummer in my band, and then he decided to quit the band, go to Arizona, and take the Harley-Davidson Tech School course. Now he's got his certificates, and Joel over at White Knuckle has hired him to be a mechanic there. Anyway, I haven't seen Steve for about 9 months. Well, gosh, it's been a year, because he left late last March, but he quit the band in January, I think it was, in 2020. I mean, when COVID-19 was just a rumor. Those were the days. I was going to talk to Joel a little bit about the mini ape hangers for this bike. Okay, I'm going to shut up till we get to White Knuckle. It's not too far. Steve-o! Okay, came down to visit the guys at White Knuckle. So they've got their canopy up and the shop open. Cool stuff. Watch Steve work. Say hi, Steve.
On your bike? Okay, so that was my trip to White Knuckle. Talked to Joel for a few minutes, and we actually got an order started for some 12-inch handlebars. Mini apes is all they are. The reservoir and the handles, the levers are all one piece. He says he's got some of those. He'll just give them to me. He's got some black ones, so that'd look kind of cool. And then I ordered some Avon hand grips. I'll put some pictures on of the grips I ordered, and I'm going to keep the instrument cluster where it's at, and keep the riser that it has, so this will all stay the same, but the handlebars are just going to be a little bit different. Now the problem is the riser is the chrome and the handlebars are currently chrome, so I might go with the chrome bars. I have to see. I might like the chrome bars better because just keep with the theme. So this bike's going through a transformation. It's gonna look cool. We're gonna put a new LED headlight in there, probably a Daymaker. Joel's got some of those in stock, so he can just, he said 150 bucks installed, so we'll just do that. That should be cool. Probably go with different mirrors. I don't know, I like these teardrop mirrors. They're the Willie G, they match the hand grips. These Willie G hand grips are getting kind of old. A little bit worn, you know, so we're gonna replace those. And Wednesday is St. Patrick's Day, so it's March 17th, and my family and I have got our schedule to get our vaccination for COVID-19, so things are looking up, you know. They said this week that restaurants and bars could go to full capacity, so we have a show tonight, so we're playing at Barbary Coast tonight, and they said they can be at full capacity. People still have to wear masks, and they said by April 1st everybody in the state can get a vaccine, so that's cool. And they said by April 10th they might lift the mask mandate. I mean, businesses can still say, hey, you need to wear a mask if you're in our store or in our restaurant or whatever, and you should comply, you should do it. It's just, you know, good social responsibility, I think. So keep watching. Like this video, subscribe, and we're going to see a transformation on the bike. The V-Rod's going to get some handlebars and different things, so it's going to start looking a little cooler. Maybe.